How to use Notion AI to summarize notes automatically. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion AI to summarize your notes automatically. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. So, beginning with, the first thing you need to do is open the Notion app and go to the page or workspace where your notes are stored. This is where Notion AI will pull the content from. Now let's come towards accessing Notion AI. You'll see an option called Ask AI. Go ahead and tap on it, and a list of AI tools will appear on your screen. Next, from the list of tools, tap on Summarize. This is the feature that will automatically turn your long notes into clean, short takeaways. After that, choose the content you want to summarize. You can select a single page, a full folder, or highlight specific text, whatever you want Notion AI to condense. Once you've selected the content, Notion AI will instantly generate a clear and organized summary. It's super useful for studying, reviewing meeting notes, or getting quick insights from long documents. When the summary is ready, you'll have the option to copy it, edit it, or move it to any section of your workspace where you need it. And that's how you use Notion AI to summarize your notes automatically. Simple, fast, and perfect for saving time. That's all for the video.